Hi friends. My name is Michael, and welcome to my English course. In this video I am going to show you how to start a basic conversation in English. Boys, do you have trouble talking to girls? If you're a shy guy, talking to girls can seem like a big challenge. Don't worry. I am the best expert on this subject that you can find. Right now, I have no girlfriend. But it's okay. I decided to find someone sweet today. Let's start practicing. Hi girl. How are you?
Hi. I am fine, thank you.
My name is Michael. Is your name Google?
Google?
Because you have everything I am searching for.
Ha ha ha. You are so funny, Michael. My name is Boo Boo.
Nice to meet you, Boo Boo.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you have a map? I'm getting lost in your eyes. Your eyes are so beautiful.
Oh. Thank you.
Has anybody ever told you that you have the most beautiful smile?
No. But thank you.
Can you give me your phone number? Can I call you sometime?
I am sorry. I have a boyfriend.
Alright. But I thought you might need a husband.
Oh Michael. I'm totally into you. You are right. Here is my number. Oh Michael. You are so handsome. I need to kiss you.
Now you know everything. Let's find some girl. That girl is beautiful. Yes, she is really hot. But first, you have to check everything. Do you smell good? Yes, I smell perfect. And I am prepared for action. Let's go. Mama, my name is Mama Michael. Yo, you are boo beautiful. Full.
Oh, poor boy, what a pity, he looks so handsome and he is probably retarded.
The next day.
I want to be honest with you. I've never had a girlfriend. I hope I never meet that girl from yesterday again. Oh no. She's there again, and she's really very pretty. I think I love her. Okay. Max, are you prepared? Max, ring. Oh, no. I killed her. Please be alive. Get up, girl, please get up. Are you okay? I am so sorry. My name is Al.
Nice to meet you. My name is Kate.
Oh, she is quite strong. It hurts. I think she loves me too.
2 days later.
Max, Where is your bone? Okay. Are you prepared? Bring. Oops, butterfly again? I don't believe it. She is sitting there again. Oh, she's so beautiful. I love her very much. Oops, does she see me? I hope not. Oh, no.
Are you okay? Wow, you're such a nice dog. What is your name? Did he call you Max? Is your name Max? You're so funny.
Max, please, come here. Hi, I'm very sorry for everything I've done. This flower is for you. And now, she is my girlfriend. I told you, I'm the best expert on women. What did you say? Are you asking me for more advice about women? So here they are. Tip number 1. Make a marriage proposal. Will you marry me?
How much money do you have?
Well, it's a bit risky. Tip number 2. Keep trying. Do you believe in love at first sight? Or should I pass by again? Is your dad a terrorist? Because you are the bomb. Can I follow you home? Because my parents always told me to follow my dreams. Do I know you? 'Cause you look a lot like my next girlfriend. Are you a magician? Because whenever I look at you, everyone else disappears. There's something wrong with my bed.
What?
You are not in it. Hi, I'm lost. Can you give me directions to your heart? They say, kissing is a love language. Do you want to start a conversation? Hello, I'm a thief. And I'm here to steal your heart. I'm going to arrest you for robbery. Because you've stolen my heart. Tip number 3. Try to work out and gain muscle. Hello, I'm Mr. Bombastic.
Wow.
Tip number 4. Use your pet. Do you love me?
Of course I love you.
Thanks, that was easy. Do you have other tips on how to get a girlfriend? Please write them in the comments below. Thank you. Don't give up learning English.
English can open up new opportunities for you.
You can also learn other languages with our other YouTube channels.
Use YouTube for something useful, and learn languages with us.
If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.